Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a picture negative on iPhone. So go to Safari, type invert colors online, tap on the first one. From here tap choose file, go to photo library, and from here pick a picture, tap done and tap invert, and your picture is ready. So from here tap and hold the picture and tap save to photos, and now go to photos, and here your negative picture is saved. So this is how you can invert a picture into negative. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.